Good morning. My name is Lalit Gaikwad, Assistant Professor in MCA Department from Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering. Welcome. Today's topic discuss Dominus rules. Dominus rules name is properties and principle also. Right? They are. What do you mean by Dominus rule? Dominus rule is the reduce the matrix size of payoff matrix. What do you mean by payoff matrix? Payoff matrix is the given matrix converted into 2 by 2 matrix. But what is the meaning of 2 by 2 matrix? That is called Dominus rules. There are two types of rules. First is a for row and second is a for column. For column. Then for row I1 less than equal to I2 and second is a for column I1 greater than equals to I2. It is a consider for I1 value is 5 less than equal to 6. 6 as compared to 5 is less. That is a I1 is deleted. I1 is deleted. Next rule is a for column I1 value is 7. I1 value is 7 greater than equals to 6. 7 is greater than for 6. That is called I1 is deleted. Player B and player A. 1, 2 and 3. B is a 3 player is given 1, 2 and 3. Their player is a 3 given. Value is 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, then minus 2, minus 1 and 3. Given matrix is 3 by into 3. Given matrix is 3 by into 3. Converted into 2 by 2. What is the rule of Dominus principle? What is the rule of Dominus principle? First rule is the for column and second is two is a for row. Then first step is solve the problem. First step is to solve the problem. Saddle point. Saddle point. What do you mean by saddle point? What do you mean by saddle point? Saddle point is the row minimum and column maximum. Right? Given row, choose the minimum value. Minimum value is minus 2, minimum value is minus 1 and minimum value is minus 2. Then row wise choose the maximum value. What do you mean maximum value? Maximum value is 5, maximum value is 3 and maximum value is 3. Column max is the maximum minimum value. Minimum value is 3 and row minimum is the maximum value is minus 1. That is row minimum equals to minus 1 and column maximum equals to 3. Both value are not same. There is no saddle point. No saddle point. Right? Next is solve the Dominus rule. Solve the Dominus rule for row and for column. For column. Row I1 less than I2, row and column I1 greater than equals to I2. Then write down the given matrix. Player B and player A. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Next solve. 5, 2, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 3, minus 2 and 3. Given matrix is 3 into 3. The first step, compare. First is a column wise, compare the next column and next column. First column is 5, 2, 3. Compare for second column. Second column 5 is less for 2, 3 is less for 2 and 3 is a minus 2 is a not satisfied for the this column. Then next is a compare for first column and third column. 5 is less than minus 2, 2 is less than minus 1 and 3 is a equal. That is a column number 1, column number 1 greater than equals to column number 3. Which rule? Column is greater than equals to, then greater is 5, 2, 2 as compared to minus 2, minus 1 and 3. Greater is 5, 2, 3. That is column number 1 is deleted. Column number 1 is deleted. Then write down, that is a cross section. Then player number 1 and player A. 2, 3, minus 2, then minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 3 also. Compare for row wise, 2 minus 2 is less, 3 minus 1 is greater 2 and minus 2 is 3 is the greater for 3. Not satisfied the deduction for the column wise. Let's solve the is row wise. Row wise is column solve. Player B and player A. 2, 3, 1 and 2. Compare for 2, 3, 2 is greater for 3 and minus 2 is greater for 1. That is a compare for this row for the first row and second row. It is a greater, rule is less than equals to, less is value for 2 and minus 2. 2 is minus for 2. That is a solve for matrix minus 2 and minus 3. 3 minus 1 and minus 2 in 3. That is a consider for A11, A12, A21 and A22. Then solve this problem. Problem is converted into 2 into 2 matrix. That is a role of Domino's rules is to solve the problem. Convert 3 by 3 matrix converted. 3 by 3 matrix converted into 2 by 2 matrix. That is the proof of this solve. Then solve this problem. The given formula is इतलेच होते हैं ना. A11, A12, A21 and A22. Two, 30, 2 and 3. Write down the formulas. There are 4 types of formulae. Second is a P2, P1, P2, Q1 and Q2, and next is the value of game. Next is the value of game. Write down the first formula is P1. P1 equals to A22 minus A21 underscore A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Next formula is 1 minus 1 minus P1. Next is a Q1 equals to A22 minus A12 underscore A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Next is a Q2 formula 1 minus Q1. Next, value of gain. Value of gain. Value of gain is formula A11 A22 minus A12 A21. Next, bracket A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. This write down the formula and put the value of given 2 by 2 matrix. First is a P1 equals to A12 3 minus A21 minus 2 bracket A11 3 plus A22 value is 3 minus A12 minus 1 plus minus 2. Write down the minus plus 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Then 3 plus 3 6 minus plus is a 3. 5 divided by P1 value is 5 divided by 9. Next formula is P2. 1 minus 5 divided by 9 equals to 4 divided by 9 is a P2 value. First is a P1 value. The next formula is a Q1 and Q2. Q1 equals to A22 minus A12 22 minus A12 plus A21. A20 value is 3 minus A12 minus 1. Next is A11 value is 3 plus A22 3 minus A12 minus 1 plus A21 is a minus 2. Solve minus plus 4, minus plus 4, then 3 plus 3 6 minus 3 equals to 4 divided by 9. Next is a calculate the Q2. Q2 equals to 1 minus Q1 equals to 1 minus 4 divided by 9 equals 3 divided by 9 is a Q2 value. Next is a value of gain. आनंद सर दिसत आहे का? क्लिअर दिसत आहे की नाही आहे? हां फास्ट होत आहे का? नेक्स्ट द value of gain. Value of gain formula is A11 A22 minus A12 A21 under A11 plus A22 minus